Family immunity, understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting phrase, family immunity. This term might sound technical, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly improve your English comprehension and communication skills. Family immunity refers to the collective resistance to disease or infection shared by family members. This concept often comes up in discussions about health, vaccines, and community well-being. It's important to understand that this phrase combines two key words, family, which means a group of related individuals, and immunity, which is the ability to resist a particular disease. In everyday conversation, you might hear family immunity used in various contexts. For instance, a doctor might say, with proper vaccinations, we can boost family immunity against the flu. This phrase can also be used metaphorically. For example, our family immunity to financial troubles comes from our strong savings habits. Understanding family immunity is crucial in health and social discussions. It emphasizes the idea of collective health and responsibility. In many cultures, ensuring the health of the family unit is seen as vital, reflecting on this phrase's significance in both personal and societal levels. Let's see how family immunity can be used in sentences. 1. The recent vaccination drive is aimed at strengthening family immunity in the community. 2. During the pandemic, our focus was on maintaining family immunity through proper hygiene and health practices. I hope this video has been informative and helped you understand the phrase, family immunity. Remember, learning such terms enhances your grasp of the English language and helps in understanding broader concepts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more learning content. See you in the next video.